Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide channels on your Amazon Fire TV or your Fire Stick. So I'm using an antenna right now, and there's just some channels on here I don't really need or really care about. Maybe like this channel, the Griot, I'm not sure what that is. But some of those, they just have the wrong names for what's actually happening. They're just like selling channels where they sell items 24/7. Let's go on over to settings right here and go on down to live TV. And then we can go through this list, add and manage channels. And then we can go to maybe my intended channels, but you could go to like YouTube TV if you don't want something under there. And then just select the channel. So let's just find one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's HSN. We can get a little live box in the top right if it picks it up ever. But we have the option to just go to hide the channel right here, and then you can completely get it, remove it from your live TV list. So you can do that with a specific channel. Otherwise, you can go to hide all or select all at the top. So let's say you don't want to see anything from Peacock anymore. You can just go over it, press the play button on your remote, this button right here, and it will hide that entire app from your live TV sources. So, or maybe like Prime Video has way too many channels, you just don't want to see them all. So it makes it very good there. And then you can change the ordering too. So Pluto TV, sometimes I like that stuff. I can press the button with the 3 lines on it and I can move the Prime Video up. So when I'm selecting or scrolling through all my channels, this will appear first after my attended channels. So I can just put it right there. Tubi, and then News by Fire TV. Maybe I like that a little bit more. I like watching the news. So I'll put that on the top. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.